Welcome to Purchase Reviews. In this video, I'll show you how to tint an aquarium. I needed to tint the front of my aquarium as it sits right beside a window, letting in natural light and causing high amounts of algae growth. So I removed everything from inside and started again. I decided on using VLT 50% tint, which would still allow me to view my fish while blocking out the sun. If you're looking at tinting the background of your aquarium, then you can easily buy a dark VLT 1% tint and follow this same tutorial. For this project, you'll need VLT 50% tint, which you can find online. But please don't do what I did and buy the cheap stuff. Otherwise, it won't be scratch resistant or keep ultraviolet light out. You'll need a microfiber cloth, a 1/4 teaspoon of baby shampoo to 250 ml of filtered water in a spray bottle. This will ensure that there are no spots left on the glass from hardened tap water. A plastic card or tint applicator. I ended up buying a separate double-sided tint tool because the one that originally came with the tint had deviations in the plastic that would have scratched the tint. Heat gun or hairdryer, marking pen, tape measure, pen knife or blade, cutting board or some cardboard, some sticky tape for removing the tint backing adhesive, and a squeegee that does not need to be as big as this. Now, measure up amount of tint required and add an extra 2 cm either side to make sure you have enough tint to play with. Clean dust and grime off aquarium using soapy water and wipe down using microfiber towels to make sure you haven't left any dust particles behind. Now spray the aquarium glass with soapy water again, making sure that if you have fish inside, you're not spraying directly into the water. Peel off adhesive layer from the tint using sticky tape on both sides to separate the tint's protective layer. Remember that some tints use dry adhesive, which is water activated, so you may not feel any stickiness. Now spray the adhesive side of the tint before you lift it up, or the friction will make it stick to anything that moves. Place the sticky side toward the glass and spray the tint again with soapy water. You can now freely position the tint to where you like, as it will easily glide along the soapy glass. Using your plastic scraper or squeegee, work from the centre of the glass outward while using the low heat setting from your heat gun or hairdryer. Once all the main air bubbles are removed, you can grab your blade and cut the corners of tint off. And once you're done that, just smooth out the last remaining air bubbles with your plastic card or tint applicator. Now you can see the difference before application and after. So now I'll just take my time and get this aquarium looking great again. If you liked this video, give a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe for future reviews and how-to videos, that'd be much appreciated. Until next time, thank you for visiting Purchase Reviews and happy tinting.